In this video, we are going to review the Ikea affiliate program and talk about some ways to make money with this program. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbold with alstongodbold.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. As I mentioned in this video, we are going to take a look at the Ikea affiliate program. We're going to talk about the commission structure, the cookie window, and we're also going to include some ways that you can make money. Now, this video is a part of a series for a YouTube channel that I just relaunched called Affiliate Program Reviews. If you want to learn more about different affiliate programs, definitely check out this program. I'll leave a link in the description so that you can take a look at affiliate programs other than the main ones that everybody else talks about. So let's go ahead and get into it. If you don't know, Ikea is a furniture company that's based all over the world, and they have relatively inexpensive products. The benefit to Ikea is you can mix and match, you can pick and pull your parts that you are interested in, and then you can put it together and have something completely or relatively completely unique. What we're looking at here are spring mattresses, and this could be an opportunity to create content and make money, but we'll get into that in just a moment. With the Ikea affiliate program, it offers a 7% commission, so you'll make 7% on the sales that you generate. It's non-reoccurring, and they offer a 30-day cookie window. Now, that cookie window is actually a pretty good cookie window considering how large the company is and the different ways that you can promote it. So as you can see here, as I scroll through, they have affordable stuff for just about every room in the house, and that is also an opportunity as well. So let's go ahead and get right into some of the different ways to make money. What I did is I went up to products and I just grabbed, I think I grabbed bed and mattresses, and I just clicked on mattresses. One thing that you could do, if you're familiar, is you can actually create content on spring mattresses. Believe it or not, it's a niche that people are looking up. When we look at spring mattresses, people are comparing spring mattresses versus memory foam. They're doing all sorts of things. And if we scroll down here, you can see the top result, 76,000 views. There are 40,000 subscribers. So 76,000 people wanted to know the difference between a spring mattress and a memory foam mattress. Now, this is one opportunity where you can get people over to different products over on Ikea and make money. Another thing that you can do is simply just look up Best Ikea. And what I did is I searched Best Ikea Desk for Gaming, and the top result, he has 76,000 subscribers, but 262,000 views. So you can see there's some real opportunity there. If we scroll down, top result, 33,000 subscribers, 449,000 reviews, or 449,000 views. So what you can do is you can type in Best Ikea. We're going to delete this, and you can see people are looking up Best Ikea Desk, Couch, Furniture, Best Ikea Desk for Gaming under 100, curtains, mattresses, and so on. So if we do Best Ikea Couch and hit the space bar, you can see Best Ikea Couch for 2021. And when we take a look, you can see that the top result, only 5,000 subscribers, almost 200,000 views. 5,000 subscribers, 200,000 views. The one below it, 39,000 views, 13,000 subscribers. You put the affiliate links to the products that you discuss in this video, you could potentially make money. And this video is only 4 minutes long. So you can see there's opportunity here as well. Another thing that you could do is you could start a blog with about different rooms in the home. For example, I typed in living room. There are 7.1 million monthly searches. There are 343,000 keywords. And what we could do is we could change the keyword difficulty to 5 or less, and we can see what's out there. Let's see. Now we have 1 million monthly views, 9,000 keywords where people are looking up gray couch, living room, blue couch, living room. Let's see if Ikea has some of that stuff, and you could potentially create content. What we can also do too is we can take this keyword, copy it, paste it right into YouTube or Google, and we can take a look and see what the top results are. So we've got Wayfair, Ashley Furniture. What we're looking for is we're actually looking for small and medium-sized websites for an opportunity. One way that we can go is Pinterest, and I'll show you Pinterest in just a second. Pinterest is a good opportunity for something highly visual like Ikea and furniture. Let's see, if we look at this one, we're going to open this up in a new tab. Let's see if we can keep scrolling. Let's see, decoratedlife.com is going to be one that we're interested in. homedesigning.com as well. And while those are loading, let's jump over to Pinterest ikea.com, and we're just going to search living room. And when we search living room, you're going to see there is tons of opportunity where people are looking up different things at the living room. Living room just like this. Hit the space bar. And the cool thing with Pinterest is a search engine. It's a search engine that has a social media component. Also, with Pinterest, you can rank on Google with your Pinterest pins. So if we do living room ideas, we click on this, you can come up with different living room ideas, maybe a couch or a rug, and then put the affiliate link. So look at this. These are very basic pictures. You put affiliate links in your Pinterest pins, or send them over to a blog, a website, a landing page, and you could potentially make money. I also recommend that you do video pins. As you can see on my screen here, these are all static pins, but then the video pin really stands out. So pro tip, if you want to get going on Pinterest, use video pins. And you could do the same thing. Let's just type in IKEA here. People are creating content like the best IKEA finds. They're creating all sorts of stuff when it comes to IKEA, and that's all going to help you make money. All right, so we can type in IKEA here and see if people are just asking questions about IKEA. As you can see, IKEA hacks, kitchen, bedroom, living room, kids room. Let's just go to IKEA kitchen, but this can work for really any social media platform. You could even do the same thing with a Facebook group. As you can see, people are creating content, all sorts of content about IKEA. Let's go over to Facebook here real quick, and I'll show you once again. You want to create content about the living room or kitchen or interior design, all sorts of stuff. So let's see if we go over to our Facebook search and we type in living room, hit enter, and then we're going to go over to groups, just like that. And then you're going to see there are a bunch of people in these groups, 686,000 members, 11,000 members, 1.3 thousand members, almost 2 million people, and interior design ideas. And we could even change this to maybe even IKEA or furniture, interior furniture. IKEA also has outdoor furniture as well. If we go back over here, you could create content. Let's see, you could create content with working from home. That's always a great way to create content, but they have indoor and outdoor furniture. If we go back over here, you can see IKEA. We go down to groups. People have, there's 50, 60, 100,000 people that are interested in IKEA. All of this can work if you are consistent and persistent enough. So let's recap real quick. You could create content about spring mattresses or memory foam mattresses, explaining exactly what they are. You can create content about the best stuff over on IKEA. Best gaming desk, best couches, all of that works. If we also take a look, you can create a YouTube, or you can create a website about gray living room or living room furniture, living room couch. We can take a look at this website and we could pull some keywords from here as well. So we're going to copy the link address, go over to our keyword explorer tool here. We're going to paste this in just like this. Another thing that you can do is you can simply put in the domain name of IKEA, see what they're ranking for, and use that for niche ideas. For example, IKEA rugs, you know that that's being searched 43,000 times per month. You could go in and find different keywords within IKEA rugs, create content there. So if we look at this website that we found, this website is fairly large. It's not too bad. They rank for 133,000 keywords. We can take a look and see which keywords they rank for and find either niche ideas or find keywords that you could potentially write content. If we look at these, some of these aren't really relevant. Maybe home kits could be a good one. Stud finder, things like that you could potentially use. But if we go back over, I want to show you the little trick that I like to do when it comes to the actual website. So what we can do is we can put in ikea.com. Let's see if this works. We'll do ikea.com. We can put that right into the keyword research tool, and we'll just pull out different keywords. IKEA furniture, IKEA bookcase. Let's do IKEA shelves. We're going to copy this. We're going to copy IKEA shelves just like this. We're going to go back over to this one, and we're going to put in IKEA shelves, hit enter, and we want to take a look at the searches per month and the different types. So this gets 195,000 monthly searches, 6,000 keywords. We could change the keyword difficulty to 10 or less this time, and we can see if there is opportunity out there. Pull out shelves, IKEA, acrylic shelves. There's 17,000 monthly searches for these keywords. You could create content, IKEA shelves, red shelves, IKEA, create content in each one of these and potentially rank and start making money. Now that you know more about the Ikea affiliate program, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.